you say Asogo bi do mafu ene nam papa. Benga nada. Emra ni abeto abato.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho. Maybe we from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be we from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na edwum say that be ano e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that be na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
Plazi ama ene you say Asogo bi do mafu ene nam papa. Benga nada. Emra ni abeto about 2024 no Ghana mampeni no cha konwa so ene kane mampeni His Excellency Nana Adodanko Akufo-Addo amanfo bon mane adodi ene eja ya sugu ni sukroma de odi anka kwa me bo no permit mi kan bi se na nasan yo sign na LGBTQ enya de bebo o meyi de ne nkoso e de no me kwa bebre o meyi se se your guest e wo town ye wo ye no wo town ho fe yi o mo hwese dro ben e ma he pokum how ka tum say yes ye wo nyoma yo nanso de se ne se won pem ma we se nyina bi na nyonko be ma na 7 preduasa obewa no e ma bi so se mi ame fe me eno ago beye sabe abusu sem sei tinya de ebeso soso ne ebeso soso kina tika mampani nsan dada no e bono a wansan ena NDC amnyoko ka che Ghana fo se Ghana fo nya amanyoko mu gidi no mo fatumi hye omonsa no mo de hye omonsa ade abako a efu a ombe ne simple kra SCSI LGBTQ Ghana fo se mbono yo makani yi abano ye betu ni se bum ade amamo na wo ba manya kukudu asane se we yanom se o so aidanko e wo ko danko ye to aba wie ma Sam George bo modern na manyoko NDC de mu kunim se bepem ne ena wo de afa ha ena wo de asen ha LGBTQ e dia hi Ghana se papa na nse gba de abepem ni se agwago pem na se bedwefem ya Agyeta mi se meyemra ye twese mampani fa ne san hyase afi chame yo na se bedwefem twa no ko ba ti Yesu Kristo na mni ho ankofo de asimachi enya de ameja tum ne Agyeta tum kina mampani se bedna ni ma obaka che ne mpanifo tunufo obambo nsem ne eye eka ne se mram so omo advice no omo tunufo se emu da fine anaze korom cry ni padudu ete hia no omo gitum no efson anaze anso eno na president e oda Ghana Catholic Bishop Conference ano most reverend Matthew Kosija mfi eno enumre no osi aka sebom one na ya okese ebon komo eno se ya wei kama mpanifo nte se saada nkoda ada ado enyomo mo yokom ano anya no nti ana Ghana fokoto bayi machewedwafo ya tomba ayi machewedwafo se ommesha mra na edu de aden a mampanifa ne san hyase enti anam ne kwam enam ne kwam nya na Ghana fo hwe de Ghana fo hwe nyina ne se mampani nya gukudro na emra na omutintimiye no omfa ne san hyase na LGBTQ no 7 preduasa yesi ano wo Ghana owie na ya kasi biza se papa na de ndi ase ahwetri mpanifo mu se oya so ya wo mu so mu kosan se wi emwa amanonefo de bebo sikasem ajaga na mpanifo ne besia bode o ma bi mu ankasa ya buru besia buru nsuzo to na efaye ya kwa nyina sisi common street light ye ni bi e wo mai mountain so ensu da bia ya kwaje besia ba nti o mu so mu kosan ya besia ne ma
LGBTQ bill trumu enintino na NDC party at that time na woman for so say sa anti LGBTQ no aye present na Akufo-Addo at that time on sign because he had the papa and a president Akufo-Addo on sign na obi na wo for so MPP government ni say on sign now wo party about power now na wo free sa ade na wo suspect say ya de papa nti MPP party inside no adenti na wo ntama ade ni the same thing amfa nkoma president John Dramani Mahama so on sign adenti ya enti sa afonyo mark ni beka say agoro be so efia no pa one afonyo mark ni beka say NDC government ni chantro wo mo be ye bibia magana fo nka wo mo aye afonyo mark mbabo ntin beka say MPP NDC government ni ye government bi a wo mu chantro kire Ghana for ma Ghana for GT NDC government don't have anything to offer Ghanaians. Oye eye ne kure na oka no ana enye ne kure na oka no me to me ni afonyo mark ni kan no meji atum one o se agro be so efia no pa eyampa se sa 24 hours economy policy no se wo mo be yanka wo mo aye wo di ono to nchen a sa 24 hours economy policy no se wo mo be ya na nka wo mo ba aba mu wo mo nka se wo mo kwa akoye 24 hours market wo mo ba be ye 24 hours loan wo mo be yanka wo mo aye into hono me ni afonyo market ni ya adene ni ayo according to afonyo market or say be na wo mo de bre and then na kufu ado abre so no adenti na wo mo mfa ma John Dramani Mahama e ma ne nsan enti sa afonyo market na kasa e wo video nim e de ti NDC a me ye right megia 200% because sa be wo na wo pese MPP sign no sanke na ya de papa wo wa abre so na nke president John Dramani Mahama aba ese se wo ma ne sign ni kwaya me kai ni kwasa ma me kai ni ni kwasa ma me kai ma da na wo tanfu ana
me say me catch the plane na ye plane fa say NDC for in this case we ni pabonifo China America no
Ozo ene da no si mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we che se yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e de na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yema mo na busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi say leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom ko another African country to go and cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look say here hospitals and they go sana no me nyina say it is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya it is a scan kwa kaya de wasa botumi we say oh me say we say people for akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate am je on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo you say anya Ghana for dey na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokeke mu kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibi ni na nkasa de sebi ye bibi ayen ketenkete ya adwen ketenkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye yen ketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system. Also open koko kete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems. You know, most open koko kete. Is any one? You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me you papa. And I feel I'm going to watch them. Me na wo ne wo sia chem se bi me na me ko ka che Jandam ni ma say all members come to Butu one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo ko mo ya. E di Jandam ni ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka cho mo say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia. And I got for so okay, but to abana ma boom 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 boom. Mo to abana ma kenke government a etimi.
Say dey ko ye kwa de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about council of state member voter region. Na me say film hey Remona Chapa ya hype say where ye can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwa ne letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff Emanam one, which is never true.
Onya
juma oda. And onya juma oda. Amanam one for the first time. Nam one I post. Oh yes, Nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say boy.
Oh, sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa pebe biya kwa kodan. And then Nam one. Yes. Not just say. What's in the Clergy say. State institution we are intelligent institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026. Within 4 or 5 months, we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se bar one ne nipa no ni business. And nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko. Say osusi say nipa na sisi no. Yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy, we take omo statement. Ama o grant omo bi omo koi. Wako court, yoko na court o. O court no. What will really the tiao say? This is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution, and you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defender afi the was by I say any. Mokura mweda mempemu bium adwuma wura nankasa na mepenache no we invite na wa maaye no issue document say we a fugitive wo dwane tanko personal attack as if say your office one and they use personal agenda and you so sad
no Raymond wankasa me ne matine ma ba miensa bia I don't want to talk about
na me see the me hu no wo the very soon be hu recordings e be pie
very
soon be hu recordings are e be pie
Agyeta
and this state institutions are oh on sa no hu no no crash am fe ya sorry am fe na nsi for my Agyeta